Alright, my YouTubers, here we go again. So we were at the 5 right there. That minus 5, it's right in there. We enter that there. Now we go up here where I call the high yellow. This is where the computation takes place. The high yellow. 5 actually has a value weight of 2. 5, 6, 7 has a value weight of 2. 7, 8, 9 has a value weight of 3. 1, 2, 3 has a value weight of 1. So we are going to enter value weight of 2 for 5 right in here, right there. So enter 2, come down 2, come down 2, go to the left side, come down 2. I remember correctly in my algebra class anyways that whatever you do to the right, do to the left side of the equation. And that's how this program is based and designed to do. Okay, now on the high yellow side, that 19 you're looking at right there is actually not a 19, it's a 1. If you take a 1 and 9, add them up, equals up to 1. Also in the middle, you have a 1 and a 1, you add them up, is equal to 2. And of course, 2, it's 2. So we go up here and enter those values right in here. Remember, everything is always a balance. There's a balance to everything. So right here, we enter these 2 right here, right? These 2 right here, we enter right here. That 2 right there, you come down. There's a 2, 1 and 1 is 2. You enter 2 there. 1 and 9 is a 1. You enter a 1. Right there. That's it. So now we have a 2, 2, and a 1. It's still not balanced yet because we have to maintain a balance. So how do we get a balance? We have to equal these out. In other words, we have to eliminate one of these digits and dispose of it into the other sides of the equation. So we go up here, 2 minus 1, it becomes 1. Now we have a balanced equation. But we have a 1 floating somewhere, so we are going to figure out what we're going to do with it. But in the meantime, let's go get our LCD, I call it. The least common denominator code that actually does the magic. So we go up here at our board, and if you go back here again into our little thing there, where's my state? Come on, little cursor. There we go. On our state. It was a 1, 0. The 1 is on the left hand side and the right. The 0 is in the middle, and there's nothing to the right, which is the green side. So we're looking for a 1 on the left, 0, and nothing. And the highest of this highlighted area number is number 38. So 38 is on the right hand side. So we're looking at for 1 left, 0 middle, 38 high right. So go up here back to our board. This is what we're looking at for right here. We're looking for 1 left. There we go. Right there. 1 left, 0 middle, and to the right side should be the highest value. So we go down here and scroll down here all the way till we see our highest value. There we have it right there. So we have a 1 left, 0 middle, and there's a highest value right here to the right hand side. See, 15.6, and the highest is 55. So now we're good. Now our LCD code, which is the least common denominator code that actually does the trick, is the value of 2 and a 1. These are the actual balancing point, is a pivot. And these actually are the one who actually generates the numbers. So we have a 2 to the left and 1 to the right. So go back up here and right there. The left hand side is a 2. We enter 2. We adjust it all the way to the right. We enter a 1. 2 and a 1. Enter. Now we're good. Once again, I'm going to stop this video and have to re-continue it due to the length of the amount of time of video I could record, and we're just about at 5 minutes right now. So I'm gonna stop it and restart it, and we'll continue our little tutorial. Thank you.